Hey guys, welcome back to Forex Life. Today we're going to be visiting Al Haida. Due to a big wadi flowing near the railway station, there would be plenty of water in the wells here, which is necessary for the steam engines, staff, and the army. Hence, Haida was a very important railway station of the Hejaz. As can be seen in the movie Lawrence of Arabia, during the First World War, sections of the line were attacked by T.E. Lawrence and his Arab allies on 26th March 1917 at Aba el Naam station. The Hejaz Railway was built by the Ottomans for religious, military, political, and economic reasons. They wanted to build a railway line from Damascus to the holy cities of Mecca and Medina. The plan was to extend this line to Yemen in the future, but they could not accomplish it. They wanted to demonstrate that they could build railways like the Western powers of the day, like the British and the French. This was a very ambitious project. The wood was taken from the government forests, the locomotives were German, rails were imported from Belgium and Britain. They collected donations from all over the world for this project. Did you know that the largest donations came from India? A Hejaz Railway Central Committee was formed at Hyderabad. Indians were most interested in the line from Jeddah to Mecca and Medina because Indian pilgrims came via the Jeddah port. There were around 150 committees formed all over India for collecting donations for the Hejaz Railway. In less than 2 decades after the project's beginning, the railway lay in ruins. The track was unofficially abandoned in 1920. Now you can see the railway station, locomotives, and wagons at Medina Al Ula and some other places. On the route from Medina to Al Ula, you have to take the road that's heading east to go towards the Hejaz railway station as well as the caravan shelter. So this is the Hejaz Railway Bridge, and it was built by the Ottomans. This was actually the same railway line that was attacked by Lawrence of Arabia. And whenever it rains, this entire valley is filled with water. And this bridge is the only way we can get from one side to another. So let's take a look. This is the railway station of the Hejaz Railway, and this is a very important place because there is water right here. So all around on the top of the mountains, there are some watchtowers so that they can see if there are any attacks by invaders. And since it is a steam engine, there is a pump over here. And this building is the garrison, which held the soldiers to defend the railway station, and the railway station itself is over there. And there is a water tank at the top of the railway station, and there's also a well inside the garrison to supply the troops and anyone who stays there with water. Now right now we're on the main railway line, and there is a train. There's also another train over there, so let's take a look. Today we're going to have a closer look at the various parts of the locomotive and document it. If you're not interested in that, you can skip ahead using the timestamps. This amazing and historic place is located by the road from Medina to Al Ula, and you can come here with a 2x2 vehicle as well. This is actually quite close to the Hejaz Railway Bridge. It's around 1 kilometer away, and if you have a 4-wheel drive, there is a caravan stop, which is a few kilometers, and we might be heading there. So make sure you stay tuned. The trail to the caravan shelter goes through this huge wadi, and you need a 4x4 vehicle to cross it. This is the caravan shelter. It provided lodging and rest for the pilgrims and traders. There are actually many of these on the ancient trade and pilgrimage route. It's near the wadi, so they have supply of water. And this is around 7 kilometers from the railway stop. And if you want to know the coordinates, just ask down below in the comments. You need a 4x4 vehicle to reach here. So we're camping here today. Right there is the Hejaz Railway Bridge, and we're camping by this palm tree. The Milky Way is going to be coming from the southeast, and we're having a nice foreground for it. And we decided not to camp in the riverbed itself because it would be dusty, and we're at a higher area right now. And soon we're going to set up the tent. We have already taken out the chairs and the carpet. So yeah, stay tuned. So now we're just having a dinner. We packed some food from home and we're having that. And yeah, it's quite nice. Now after eating food and packing up, we're going to go up to the tent and we're going to sleep. So see you in the morning. it seems it has rained here, and we have the water streams on the side of the road, and we've actually seen it multiple times, so we just decided to stop and show you.